Tehran Bustan Passage is a famous and popular shopping center in the Punak neighborhood of Tehran. This complex is one of the best passages in the northwest of Tehran. Bustan Passage is very busy because it's not in the traffic plan. Its beautiful building is clearly visible from the surroundings. There are about 1,000 commercial and office units in this complex. There are more than 800 shops and stores in Bustan Passage. I hope you one day go to Boostan Shopping Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like and leave the comment, and make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video. Mazal tov.